In this video, we are going to see a very interesting logical puzzle. Thanks to Mind Your Additions channel for this wonderful problem. I give the source in the description. In this video, I am going to discuss my approach to this problem. Okay, coming to the problem, we have 100 people in a party and each can be a liar or truth teller. The thing is, liar always tell lies, truth tellers always tell truth. That is, whatever a liar says must be lies and whatever a truth teller says must be true. Then in this party, some handshakes happen. Each person is shaking hands with some other people. Now after the party, we are asking each one of these 100 people how many truth tellers they shook hand with. That is the number of truth tellers they shook hand with. We are asking each one this question. And they tell some numbers. Each one is telling a number. And we don't know whether the person is a liar or truth teller. We don't know. But in that party, those 100 people, they know each other. They know who is a liar and who is a truth teller. They know that, but we don't know. All we have is the set of numbers that they have told for this question. So each one is telling the number of truth tellers they shook hand with, and those numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 99. That is, each one is telling a different number starting from 0 all the way to 99. That is it. With this information, can we find the number of truth tellers in these 100 people? That is the question. Okay, if you want to try it, please pause or close this video and try it on your own and come back to this later. Okay, let us proceed to the solution. Let us assume that the number of truth tellers as n. So the number of truth tellers in this gang of 100 people is n. Note n can be 0, 1 or greater than 1. And let the set of truth tellers be T1, T2, T3 all the way to Tn. Alright. For now, first let us assume that n is greater than 1. That is, there are more than one truth tellers in these 100 people. That we assume first. Let us see what this leads to. Alright. Okay. Now, if we see these truth tellers from T1 to Tn, whatever they have said must be true. So whatever number they have said must be true as well. And there are only n truth tellers, and each truth teller can handshake with other n-1 truth tellers. So the number each truth teller says must be less than n. That is, less than or equal to n-1, because apart from the person being asked, there are only n-1 truth tellers. So this person must have handshaken with these n-1 people, some of these n-1 other truth tellers. So then whatever the number a truth teller says must be less than n or less than or equal to n-1. Therefore, all the numbers, let us collect the set of all the numbers these n truth tellers must have said. Let that set be A. Okay. Now consider the initial numbers. This is the set of all the numbers each person has said. So this is the total set from 0 to 99. These are all the values that these 100 people have said. Now, how many numbers in this set are there that are less than n? Right? 0, 1, 2 up to n-1. So these are the only possible values that these truth tellers, these n truth tellers must have said, because these are the only values that are less than n. Alright, and we have n values starting from 0 up to n-1. So these truth tellers T1 up to Tn, they must have said all these numbers starting from 0 all the way to n-1. Alright, great. Now consider since n is greater than 1, this set has more than one number. Alright, so consider the person who has said 0, let that person be x, and consider the person who has said n-1, let that person be y. What this means is, x has said that he has not handshaken with any other truth tellers, right? And y has said he has handshaken with all the other truth tellers, because there are only n truth tellers, and y has said he has handshaken with n-1 truth tellers. Y must have handshaken with all the other truth tellers. So y must have handshaken with x as well. but X has said that he has not handshaken with any other truth tellers, which is not possible, which is a contradiction. So whenever n is greater than 1, this contradiction will always happen. So this is not possible. So n cannot be greater than 1. This leaves us with the possibility, two possibilities. One possibility is n is equal to 0. That is, there are no truth tellers at all. Let us see whether this is possible. Consider the person X who has said 0. So there is a person who has said 0, and let that person be X. Alright, and we have assumed that there are no truth tellers in these 100 people. That means whatever X has said must be true, because X has said that he has not handshaken with any other truth tellers and there is no truth teller at all. So what X has said must be true, but that means X is a truth teller. But that is again a contradiction, because we have assumed that there is no truth teller at all. Therefore, this is not possible too. This leaves us with the only possibility that n is equal to 1, right? Now we have to see whether this case is possible in any way. That is the only thing we have to verify. So consider the person, since there is only one truth teller, the person who has said that he has not handshaken with any other truth tellers must be the truth teller, because he is the only truth teller and all the other are liars. So he has not handshaken with any other truth teller. So the person who has said 0 must be the truth teller, and all the other person who has said the numbers greater than 1, they all must have lied, because we have only one truth teller, but they have said the numbers greater than 1. So all the people who have said 2, 3, 4 up to 99, they are all liars. That is easy to see. So far, no contradiction. Now consider the person who has said 1, and the only thing that we need for this to be feasible is this person Y should not have handshaken with X. If he has handshaken with X, then that means what Y has said must be true. Therefore, Y has to be a truth teller as well. But this can be avoided. This contradiction can be avoided if Y has not handshaken with X, and this is possible. This is feasible. So the only solution is n is equal to 1, and in this case it should have been feasible because Y has not handshaken with X. So that is the only way this has to be feasible, and since we have given all these numbers 0 up to 99, and this is how they should have happened. So the answer is the number of truth tellers in this gang of 100 people is just 1. That is it. Thanks for watching.